Don't touch my hair.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back once again for another video. So today we're starting off with some freshly washed and conditioned and deep conditioned hair here. And for my leave-in, I'm going to take this triple leave-in by The Main Choice and this Briogeo spray leave-in hair mask. And I'm using two leave-ins because I don't want my hair to be too heavy, so I'm really just focusing the cream leave-in on my ends and the spray on the shaft of my hair. So this is the this is the heat protectant. I didn't show a clip of it, but this is the Kenra heat protectant I'm putting on my hair. This kind of reduces your blow drying time, and it also just gives your hair a really good feel to it while it's being blow dried, and it smells amazing. Alright, so now that my hair is all blow dried straight, we are ready to begin the styling process. My hair is growing, my ends need to be trimmed. I'm going to go in a couple of weeks, but this is where my hair stops at once it's blow dry. And of course I have layers, so I'm just showing you guys that my hair is not all one length, it's kind of layered. So this is the size rollers that I'm going to be, rod rollers I'm going to be using today. I don't know how many packs I used, I just already had them, but I'm going to go in with this Lottabody Mousse and this Blueberry Bliss twist and shout cream for my styler today. I'm focusing the cream on the length of my hair and the foam literally just on the ends, and I'm going to use a dimming brush to smooth the products throughout my hair. And whatever's left over from my ends, I'm going to work my way up through the length of my hair. Now, I'm going to talk about the struggle that I had. I have not done a rod set in a long time. So this is the way you don't want to rod set your hair. So I started, as you can see, kind of rolling my hair up the roller. And then this was a struggle roll. I didn't know if I wanted to just roll it all the way up, if I wanted to twist it or what. So I'm showing you guys I just did one twist, and then I just secured the roller in my hair. But the more I did it, the better I got at it. So I'm going to come back and later and show you guys how I did the front of my hair, rolling it the correct way. Alright, so when I'm at the front of my hair, and I've kind of mastered it. So I'm going to take medium-sized sections, not too small, not too big, medium. And start with my cream here. Then my foam. And then the dimming brush to smooth all the product through my hair. So you're going to start at the very bottom of it and roll it and make sure your ends is secure. The key to a perfect rod is to make sure your ends is secure and smooth. Then I'm going to just twist it going up the roller. Twist it going up as far as you can, and then once you get to the very top, just go ahead and secure the roller. Make sure you're just securing it where your hair is at, not in the very front like this. You don't want to do that. In the very back of the roller, wherever your hair is at. If you do it in the front, your hair is going to move. If you do it in the back, your hair won't. I mean, the roller won't move. It'll be secure. So that's what you're looking for, and that's what you want. All right, I'm gonna let you guys watch me do my hair one more time. You're just strictly gonna do the cream, the foam, the dimming brush, and then roll. Make sure you start at the very bottom, the base of the roller, and roll your way up. Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Alright, so now that my hair is complete, this is what my hair looks like after I have rolled all of my hair up. I did have that middle part down in the middle, the back of my head, but It didn't bother me because I just picked it out, but that's what my hair looks like. I just really just put on a satin bonnet and then I went straight to bed. All right, this is the next morning. So this is my satin bonnet. Me and my daughter have matching Minnie Mouse bonnets, so that's why I have a Minnie Mouse silk bonnet on my head. And I went ahead and took this one out before I took my shower to make sure my hair was dry, so that's why that one is loose. So I'm gonna just start in the back and just unroll my hair. Unravel my hair the way I rolled it. And can you see the definition? Yes, girl, come through. I was so pleased with the results of this rod set. It was super easy to do. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch me unravel my hair and take my rollers out, and then I will be right back. Alright, so now that all my rollers are out, this is what my hair is looking like. I did my rods not too big. I was waving at my daughter. I did my rods not too big, not too small, because I wanted my curls to be bouncy and full, not, you know, super divine and super short. So, I mean, super small. So this is what took me the longest, was the separation process. I don't know how I can stress how important that this part is. It took me about a good 25 minutes to do this part. I took my time, I had some oil on my hands, and I just literally just separated each piece and twirled it around my finger. The more you separate, the bigger your hair will be. The less you separate, of course, the not so bigger it'll be.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
All right, now I got this side separated. This one my hair looks like that's separated and that's not separated. So I'm gonna be right back and separate the rest of my hair. Ha! I'm back. Y'all like the little trick I did? So this is what my hair looks like after it's all separated. And I'm just using my purple pick to, of course, fluff my roots, make my hair bigger, to give me more volume. My curls were impeccable. They were beautiful. They were bouncy. They were shiny. My hair didn't look dry. I loved it. I loved my hair. This was a super easy hairstyle, and it lasted me about 2 days. That's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.